Pradesh, Sri Nara Lokesh Garu, was doing a walkthrough with our global leadership team featuring, we've witnessed the chiller plant intro, and now we're seeing the journey of Carrier through the years. For all of our guests who are just walking in, a very special welcome. Good morning. Antariki Namaskaram. Carrier Company tarapuna meerandaru ikkadiki vichesinanduku dhanyavadamulu. Thank you so much for taking the time joining us here as we mark a wonderful milestone in the journey of Carrier. A journey that began in 1986 here in India, ladies and gentlemen, still standing strong 40 years from now. In fact, even stronger, marking those wonderful milestones, presenting to you high efficiency products, presenting to you long-term performance, but of course, driven by passion and precision. We've also got a touch screen as part of the photo gallery, ladies and gentlemen. We hope that you get a chance to explore that. It features all of our products, a lot of the technology that has gone into it, and of course, highlighting those very aspects that makes us one of the most trusted names across the world. Carrier's journey in India, of course, has been a very, very special one. One that I think began with the very first air conditioning plants, and from there to now, where we're redefining the modern cooling technology landscape as it stands. And of course, the wonderful reason for that is the support that we get from our industry peers, industry leaders, members of the media, our customers, and of course, wonderful champions of innovation like our chief guest, the Honorable Minister. I think we can all acknowledge that there's a certain sense of excitement in the air. And of course, that leads to our ceremony that's going to be unfolding on our screen next, which is the groundbreaking ceremony. Not just does it mark the beginning of today's event, ladies and gentlemen, it also signifies a wonderful start to a long journey ahead. One that's filled with milestones, one that's filled with incredible technology, engineering excellence, one that drives forward the legacy of Carrier. Every installation, every picture that we've witnessed so far, also, when you explore it, you will realize that it showcases a story of precision, of trust that we've built through the years, and long-term performance. And that reflects in the products that we present to you. The evolution, ladies and gentlemen, of Carrier's chiller plants itself is one that's been of great importance to the landscape of the industry here in India. Decades of innovation, decades of performance and adaptation coming to life. And today we stand at an interesting juncture where we acknowledge our journey so far and also present to you the first step into the next phase of our journey. On screen, of course, we've got our chief guest, Sri Nara Lokesh Garu, Honorable Minister, in conversation with our global leadership team. And that highlights, of course, the one part of collaboration that truly stands close to the heart of Carrier. We truly believe that when it comes to innovation, it is synergy that propels us forward, and on screen we're witnessing exactly that. Our commitment towards excellence has been deep, but also our commitment towards collaboration and synergy is just as important in our journey. And a wonderful depiction of that very fact, ladies and gentlemen, is what we have coming up on stage, a shared vision being highlighted in a few minutes. The world of cooling systems, ladies and gentlemen, in India was set in motion almost in 1986, 40 years back, when Carrier decided to begin that very journey here. And of course, it has almost been driven every step of the way with deep passion and love, not just for the brand, but also the technology. And of course, on screen, we've got the visuals of exactly that, the shared passion towards building a lovely future. The next step, or rather the first step of which we're here to celebrate, the groundbreaking ceremony, ladies and gentlemen. This is happening in the hall adjacent to us, so please do feel free to put your hands together and celebrate as we mark a milestone moment here in the journey of Carrier India. Well, with that official groundbreaking moment, ladies and gentlemen, we also celebrate Carrier's journey, one that's been of constant evolution, constant trust. And today we stand at the beginning of yet another lovely start. Marking our commitment towards a better tomorrow, marking a commitment towards a shared vision, we now have a photo op featuring our global leadership team. Ladies and gentlemen, we've all heard the name Carrier, we've all seen the technology come to life, but it's not very often that we get to see the faces behind the innovation. So here we go, some of our leadership team members who've joined us from across the world, the people behind the complex operations. The moment is about to unfold, ladies and gentlemen, while we invite our chief guests and our esteemed dignitaries here on stage, setting into motion our on-stage proceedings, our formal proceedings that mark this milestone in Carrier's journey, the groundbreaking ceremony here in the heart of Sri City. One more time, we take the opportunity to welcome everyone on this momentous occasion. Thank you for joining us here, for celebrating with us, for witnessing this milestone moment in Carrier's journey. Years in India, being commemorated, of course, here off stage so far, but on stage as well. A journey that has quite significantly shaped the country's cooling infrastructure, And the reason for that, of course, is we all know the magic of innovation, reliability, engineering excellence, passion, our focus towards precision. Our landmark milestones have truly come alive thanks to the constant evolution, the constant trust that we've received. And today, of course, we witnessed the feature of the chiller plant, our photo gallery featuring the timeline that we've been through. And today, ladies and gentlemen, we are very excited to mark this very significant occasion by welcoming our dignitaries on stage. Before that, we'd like to extend a very special thanks to each of our guests who've joined us here at the groundbreaking ceremony of Carrier's upcoming facility in the heart of Sri City. Ladies and gentlemen, a true destination of world-class infrastructure, industrial progress, connectivity. We're truly excited to welcome our dignitaries onto the stage. Dr. Ravindra Sanna Reddy, Managing Director, Sri City. We're also honored to have our global leadership team from Carrier here with us. Mr. Mike Dowger, ladies and gentlemen, Senior Vice President Operations. Mr. Sundaresan Narayanan, Managing Director, Climate Solutions India. Ms. Nadia Villeneuve, Senior Vice President, Chief People and Communications Officer. Mr. Michael Gerges, President, Climate Solutions, Asia Pacific, Middle East and Africa. Mr. David Gitlin, Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Carrier. Marking the significance of the occasion, we're privileged to have with us Shri Anagani Satyaprasad Garu, Honorable Minister for Revenue, Registration and Stamps, Government of Andhra Pradesh. And we're privileged to extend a very special welcome to our chief guest, Shri Nara Lokesh Garu, Honorable Minister for Human Resources Development, Information Technology, Electronics and Communications, and Real-Time Governance, Government of Andhra Pradesh. We invite our guests to kindly take a seat. Esteemed dignitaries on stage, industry leaders,